In this video, I'm going to attempt to make a water delivery system for a chicken coop out of this plastic barrel. So stick around and let's get started. So earlier this year, my dad passed away, and after 56 years of marriage left my mom having to take care of the property, and that includes the chickens. So I decided if she was going to keep the chickens, then we needed to make it as easy as possible for her to care for. So earlier this year I built a new chicken coop with some fancy features, automatic door, lights that automatically come on and go off depending on whether the door is open or closed. And one of the final things I need to do is a water solution. So today I'm going to take this 30-gallon plastic barrel and attempt to make a watering solution for her chickens. And I'm hoping this will reduce the amount of times that she has to fill their water supply. And we're going to start by installing this fitting into the bottom of the barrel, and then come out of the fitting and we'll go into a shut off, because I want to be able to shut the system off for maintenance or whatever may need to happen. Then I will also incorporate a union into the plastic PVC pipe, because it's going to be going, I want the barrel on the outside of the fence, and I'm going to run the pipe inside the fence, and I want to be able to disconnect it and reconnect it if I need to change anything or we need to do any kind of maintenance. And one of the things I'm going to try in this build is I'm going to try to incorporate this small little fountain pump that I picked up on Amazon for 8 or 10 bucks. I'll put the link in the description for anybody that wants to look at it. And then there will also be a floating heater that goes in the barrel. I'll put a link to that as well. It's not here yet, so it hasn't been delivered. But I'm going to take this pump and I'm going to put this tubing in the pump like so. And then I'm going to run the tubing out the valve, down the PVC pipe, all the way to the end of the run. And then my thought is the pump will circulate the water from inside the tank to the end of the run, and that will keep the water from inside the pipe from freezing. I don't know if it'll work, just kind of a thought I had. I think I saw someone else on a video do something similar, but I'm not sure they actually talked about it. That's not what it was for. It gave me this idea. So I'm going to try it, see how it works. Maybe I'll do a follow-up video in a couple months to let everyone know how it works. It's starting to get cold here. It's the middle of November. Central Indiana, January and February can be pretty cold. So hopefully this works. I'll let everyone know how it goes. So now let's get started.